Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most mysterious and mind-bending phenomena in the universe, black holes. From their formation to their role in popular culture, black holes are a topic that has fascinated scientists and the public alike. So, let's unravel the enigma of black holes together. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon, the point of no return. Predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, black holes are formed when a massive object deforms spacetime to such an extent that a black hole is created. Black holes can form in a few different ways, primarily from the remnants of massive stars that collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. There are three main types of black holes. Stellar black holes. These form when a massive star collapses after exhausting its nuclear fuel. They typically have masses ranging from a few to several tens of solar masses. Supermassive black holes, found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These black holes can have masses ranging from millions to billions of solar masses. How they form is still a topic of active research, but they might originate from the merging of smaller black holes or the collapse of massive gas clouds. Intermediate mass black holes, hypothesized to exist with masses between stellar and supermassive black holes. Their existence is still under investigation. Black holes are defined by three main properties: mass, charge, and angular momentum. The event horizon is the defining boundary beyond which nothing can escape. At the heart of the black hole lies the singularity, a point where the curvature of spacetime becomes infinite, and the laws of physics as we know them break down. In 1974, physicist Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes aren't entirely black but emit radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This radiation, known as Hawking radiation, causes black holes to lose mass over time, potentially leading to their evaporation in the distant future. Although we can't observe black holes directly, their presence can be inferred through their interactions with surrounding matter and their gravitational effects. Observational evidence includes accretion disks. Matter falling into a black hole forms an accretion disk that heats up and emits X-rays and other radiation. Gravitational lensing. The intense gravity of a black hole can bend light from objects behind it, creating a lensing effect. Stellar orbits. The motion of stars orbiting an invisible massive object can indicate the presence of a black hole. The concept of objects with gravitational fields too strong for light to escape dates back to the 18th century, with ideas proposed by John Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace. However, our modern understanding of black holes began in 1916 when Carl Schwarzschild provided the first solution to Einstein's field equations, describing what we now call a black hole. The term black hole was coined by physicist John Archibald Wheeler in the 1960s. Black holes have captured the public's imagination and are frequently depicted in science fiction as portals to other dimensions or as destructive forces. Films like Interstellar and books like Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time have helped to popularize the concept of black holes, making them a staple of popular culture. Research on black holes is ongoing, and recent discoveries have been groundbreaking. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration captured the first direct image of a black hole's event horizon in the galaxy M87. This image provided visual confirmation of black holes and offered new insights into their properties. Black holes remain one of the most mysterious and intriguing objects in the universe. They challenge our understanding of physics and continue to be a major focus of astronomical research. As our technology advances, we'll undoubtedly uncover even more about these enigmatic entities and their role in the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of the universe.